Tracfone call drops are often due to the switch to LTE networks, VoLTE settings, or signal problems. First, enable VoLTE in your phone's settings, usually under cellular or network. This uses data for calls, improving stability. If that doesn't work, try a network reset. On iPhones, go to Settings General, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. On Android, it's typically Settings, System, Reset Options, then Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. These two steps solve most common call drop issues on Tracfone. If call drops continue, your SIM card might be the problem. Power off your phone, remove the SIM, and check for damage. Reinsert it firmly. Weak signal can also cause drops. Use a signal strength app to check your signal. Ideal is 50 to -70 dBm. Move away from obstacles like microwaves. Briefly enable airplane mode to reset your connection. Wi-Fi calling is another option if available on your plan. For persistent issues, contact Tracfone support or consider a signal booster, especially in rural areas.